Hey everyone, welcome back to STEM Decoded. If you're looking for videos that give Python tutorials even for beginners, then you found the right playlist. These videos will give the essential steps to understanding Python and how to code using this programming language. This is the first video on the playlist, so please always remember to subscribe and like. This time we will be talking about the introduction to Python. And later I would introduce what I recommend to use to code Python. So firstly, the question, why Python? The first reason is it is easy to learn, write, read, and it is more simplified than other complex languages such as C++. Therefore, it's easy for beginners to get the hang of. And secondly, it is also more flexible than other coding languages, such as, for example, the types of variables. And thirdly, Python is used for real-world applications, such as in machine learning and website development. And lastly, it is one of the most popular programming languages. So then comes the question, where can I run Python? Some places I recommend include Visual Studio Code, Jupyter Notebook, or Google Colab Notebook. All three are definitely recommended by me, and I actually like the second and the third one more. However, for this playlist, we will be using Google Colab. So, why Google Colab? First of all, it is easy to access. It's directly in your Google Drive. It allows for both text and code, not just comments. Moreover, it is in a notebook style, so it's clean and organized. And lastly, it can be directly stored in a Google Drive. Okay, so how do we use Google Colab? Firstly, go to your Google Drive, select the folder you want the notebook to be in. Then right-click, choose More, and then select Google Collaboratory. If it didn't appear in More, because we didn't select it before, you can select Connect More Apps and search for Collaboratory. So as we can see on the top right corner here, this is how you can access this notebook. And then I'll also be showing you in real time in case you have any questions. Feel free to skip over this part of the video if already understand how to open the notebook. So the first step is definitely to open your Google Drive and then right click, click on More, and if it shows up, it will show up as Google Collaboratory. If it doesn't show up, press Connect More Apps. And then just search Collaboratory. Even though the logo seems different, this is actually the one that you're supposed to download. Just press on it and it will automatically download. As I already have it installed on my drive, it shows here as uninstall, but yours would still show install. So this is how you access Google Collaboratory. In case you guys have any questions, you can always ask down in the comments below. Therefore, this concludes the introduction to Python. In the rest of the playlist, I will cover more of the coding parts. There will also be practice problems after each concept, which will help you grasp all of the concepts effectively and efficiently. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will try to get to them as soon as possible. Therefore, please subscribe and like for all of the videos coming your way.